Good morning, students. This is very important topic in management process. The topic is staffing. First, we should go through the meaning of staffing. Staffing is the process of hiring eligible candidates in the organization or company for specific positions. In management, the meaning of staffing is an operation of recruiting of the employees by evaluating their skills and knowledge and then offering them specific job role accordingly. As you know that as a management student, we should know the functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, controlling, directing. According to all these functions, the staffing is also very important function of management of any organization. So now, as you know that staffing is the process of hiring eligible candidates. Means we just recruit the people as per our requirement, and for our requirement we have to conduct a recruitment process, and we will evaluate the skills and knowledge of the employees. That means who are expect the job in our organization, we have to evaluate their skill and we have to give the job according to their knowledge and according to their qualification. Okay, so now we just go through the what is the importance of staffing. In that, first one, functions of efficient performance of other functions. For the efficient performance of other function of management, staffing staffing is a key. Since if an organization does not the competent personnel, then it cannot perform the functions of management like planning, organizing and controlling function properly. Okay, this is this is also management function, but it cannot be performed like organizing, planning and controlling function, because it is only the time where we required proper staff to our company, where when we required required staff, there we have to implement this function, staffing. So it is a very useful function to the management to fulfill our job, fulfill our requirements into our organization by proper efficient employees and who has the skill and knowledge properly. Now we just go through the second one, effective use of technology and other resources. What is staffing and technology's connection? Well, it is a human factor that is instrumental in the effective utilization of the technology, capital, material, etc. The management can ensure the right kinds of personnel by performing the staffing function. Here, in any organization recent days, they have to use the technology for recruiting the employees, and also they have spent capital also, material also, to select efficient people or giving a proper training and development sessions to the to the recruited people to our company, so that here there is a lot of use to the technology for staffing. That means in the latest way, the technology is helpful to recruit the people well, and they have to we have to evaluate their skills effectively by using technology and capital materials. Okay, next, optimum utilization of human resources. The wage bill of big concern is quite high. Also, a huge amount is spent on recruitment and selection, training and development of employees to get the optimum output this staffing function should be performed in an efficient manner. Okay, after fulfill our staffing, we had recruit the people already over. So then after we will offer a lot of salary package. So according to that huge amount of package, we will use the people who are selected for our company effectively. That means optimum utilization. According to their skills and knowledge, we have to use all these for concerned development of the organization. And also we have spent money for recruitment, selection, training and development also. When we have to provide better training and development sessions to the people who are selected newly to our organization, there they have some idea according to idea about our organization. This is the company, this is the work we need to perform here. So like they have to get idea on particular task. So to get the optimum output, by only they get optimum output, the staffing function should be performed in an efficient manner. Okay, next, development of human capital. Another function of staffing is concerned with human capital requirements. Since the management is required to determine in advance the manpower requirements, therefore it has also to train and develop the existing personnel for career advancement. This will meet the requirements of the company in the future. So here it is called development of human capital. That means capital itself is very useful to the company in financial terms or in human terms. That means we have select the suitable people to our company by staffing function. Then we have to develop the human capital effectively or requirement of the company. That means the capital, human capital, that means human resource are create as a capital when we have to the capital into our organization as per the human related, then they have to perform their skills to our company development. And also we have to determine advance the manpower requirement. So we should go for another way of doing something for train and develop their existing personnel to career advancement. That means we have to think this is our career advancement, so that before we will go for proper train to them, and we will use in future well also, like this will meet requirement of the company in future concern. Okay, the development of human capital is very important for future advancement to requirement of the manpower. Next, the motivation of human resources. In an organization, the behavior of individuals is influenced by various factors which are involved, such as education level, needs, social cultural factors, etc. Therefore, the human aspects of the organization have become very important, and so that the workers can also be motivated by financially or non-financial incentives in order to perform their functions properly in achieving the organizational objectives. So here this is a very key concept in any organization, because human beings are going to think in different ways, because the people are having a different works and different they need to perform different tasks in the organization or in the personal life. So at the time they have to feel some depression. At the time we will individually we have to find their behaviors and how the people are, and what is their social and cultural factors, and what are their education levels. All these we need to find according to their behavior we should find their talent, and also therefore the human aspects the organization have become very important, and so that the workers can also be motivated, because the workers are having some depressions and sometimes they have to face some problems. At the time we will involve into that and we will explain this is a work concern, this is the way we have to work. So if you have any doubt you just ask me, like we will motivate them, and also we have to provide incentives to improve their mindset, financial incentives or non-financial incentives to the organization to perform well, to achieve the organizational objectives. Okay, next, building a high morale. Building high morale. The right type of climate should be created for the workers to contribute to the achievement of the organization objectives. Therefore, by performing the staff function effectively and efficiently, the management is able to describe the significance and importance which it attaches to personal working in the enterprise. Here, and also we have to build the morale or moral, good morale, higher morale in the organization due to proper working conditions. When we have to maintain good contribution to achieve the organization objectives, the contribution is called a good climate in the organization. Every time the people are going to do something for a company, like we have to motivate them, and we have to create that higher morale towards employees mindset. This is only the function of the management. So the management is going to conduct staffing function effectively or efficiently. The management is able to describe the significance and importance which it is attaches the personal working in the enterprise. So it is very important when we have to feel our morals, then we will be have some commitment. So that is called very important function for every organization success. Thank you.